Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make Minecraft in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. So start with fire and then add water to have steam. Now we're gonna add fire again to have engine. Put the engine aside. We add earth and fire to have lava. Add water to the lava and we have stone. Now we add wind to have sand. Put the sand to the engine to have sandbox. Now we add earth and wind to have dust and earth again to have planet. Add the planet to a sandbox. Now we have Minecraft. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.